friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you a real easy way to make a no-bake cheesecake. I've got a whole crew to feed tonight. The whole family's coming for dinner tonight and they all want cheesecake, and you know what? It takes a while, so I thought, I'll make a real easy one and I'll show you how I do it. So in this bowl right here, I'm doubling my recipe, by the way, and I'll put the recipe in the video, but I'm doubling mine. So I'm not even going to tell you how much I have because I'm going to put the recipe in there. So I've got my graham crackers, and to that I'm going to add my brown sugar, and then I'm just going to put a little touch, probably about a half teaspoon of cinnamon in here. Just a little bit of cinnamon. There. So I got the cinnamon. And then I've got my melted butter. And again, you'll see how much when I put the recipe in there. Okay? So I'm just going to mix this all in real good. Mix this all together. I have to make a big one. I should have almost put a glove and mixed it up with my hands. I've got so much here. But this is going to go in my big springform pan. And I got just enough time to make this. I don't want to chuck the graham cracker in there. I've got just enough time to make this no-bake one so it will chill by the time 6 o'clock gets, because it's only like 1 o'clock. So, okay. See, I got that all mixed up real nice. Okay. Now, I'm going to dump this into my springform pan. A little time here. And I'm going to go right up the sides of the pan and on the bottom. Okay? And I'm just using my hands. They're all nice and clean. It's easier. Okay, we're going to put this right up. Right up the sides of the pan as far as I can get it. And then we're going to put this in the fridge to chill. Let me get the sides up here. This probably is the longest part right here, doing the graham cracker crust. Now you can always just cheat and buy a already prepared graham cracker crust if you want. Get one of them, and I don't know if this recipe would require 2 or not. The recipe single calls for a 8 or 10 inch springform pan. So I got the bigger one out. And this one's going to be a lot. Maybe take a little bit of that out. Wow. I bet they heard that one.
Sorry.
Goodness. I'm sorry, friends.
I wasn't even paying attention. I'm sorry.
My daughter's here. Okay. See how nice I got that all in there? So we're going to take that and we're going to chill that in the refrigerator till it hardens up. And then while I'm doing that, I'll show you the rest. So hang on.
And by the way, friends, if you heard that, that would be compliments to the chef.
Oh, Lord. Helen, I gotta wash my hands. All right. Let me get this out of the way here and bring my bowl over here. In this bowl, I have got 4 bricks of cream cheese. Okay? And to that, I'm going to add my lemon juice. And I'm going to add my whipping cream. Ooh, that's going to be good. And I'm going to put my sugar in here. And I need 2/3 of a cup. So there's 1. And there's 2. And a touch for good measure. That's the love. Alright. So I'm going to mix this together. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get this mixing together. And you know, an easy way if you want to soften up your cream cheese, if you don't have a lot of time, just take it and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. 1 block at a time though. Otherwise, it won't work well. We're going to get this all mixed up real good. While that's chilling in there. That's all this calls for. And then I'm going to top it with a cherry pie filling. And then chill it. This really is easy, and they'll think you worked all day at it. That's what's nice about it. They'll think you worked real hard with this. I gotta whip this good. You know what, friends? I'm just gonna finish whipping this, and when my pie shell is all ready and hardened up and chilled, I'll bring you back and show you the next step. Okay, friends, I am back, and this is chilled. Now, I've got a lot of, by the time I got done mixing it, I got a lot. So I may be able to even make another one, which would be nice, because I got a lot of people. But I'm just gonna dump this in here. I'm just gonna start scooping this in. Just like so. No, I guess I can get it all in here. I didn't realize how big my pan was. And I'll have enough room for the cherries on top. Look at there, I got it all in there. I'm going to make a little section, and I'm going to hollow out a little section, push it down in the middle here to where I'm going to put my cherries. Okay, and I am going to start dumping cherries on top of this. Let me see, I'll use this one. Okay, so there goes our cherry filling. And I'm going to save the other can, because I'm probably not going to put that on here. I'm going to save the other can for if they want any more on there. Cheesecake. This makes a beautiful cheesecake. You know what? Quick and easy, no bake. And it's just gorgeous. Okay, so there you have it. Really, really easy. I'm going to bring it over here because it's quite heavy. Taking things apart. Okay, now this cheesecake is going to go in your refrigerator for several hours. It's going to chill. It's like, oh, about 1:30 right now. No, it's closer to 2 o'clock here. And we're going to eat dinner at 6, so we'll probably have our dessert right around 6:37, 7 somewhere. So it'll be perfect then. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching.